Hey guys, Ashley Marie here. Today we're going to be doing such an exciting video. We're going to be trying out the new Soul Body, what's it called? Shimmering Dry Oil. This is Colourpop's new sister brand and I'm so excited to try it. So many of these dry oils are like shimmer bombs have come out this year. There's a Fenty one, Patrick Ta, Sol de Janeiro, so many brands, which I haven't tried any of them. They have a very hefty price tag of about usually $30 to $40. You know, Anastasia, Beverly Hills has come out with one. So when I saw that Colourpop was coming out with a new brand, of course I was excited because they're an affordable brand that has beautiful products. But then I saw that they're coming out with like a shimmering body oil, which I've been wanting to try. For $15, I had to jump on it. So excited. I ordered this today at launch. It came in like 4 days. And the ordering process is really easy. I think I got it like 3 to 4 hours after launch and all the colors were still available, which was amazing because I don't like when companies buy such a small limited product like quantity just to say that they sold out. They had a lot on the site and I'm excited. They have 4 different colors. I got the bronze shade. It says that each shade is good for all different skin types. I just thought the bronze would look so good during summer. And this is the packaging. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a light pink mauve color. I got the shimmering dry oil and I also got the body kabuki brush because I didn't really want to rub it in with my hands. This is 3 fluid ounces and the bottle says find your soul on one side. It says the Instagram handle, Twitter handle on the other side, and then on the back it says Soul Shimmering Dry Oil. What is it? It's a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer infused with coconut, argan, and marula oils for glistening good for you glow. Leave skin drenched in an addictive tropical coconut aroma. I'm so excited to smell it. I haven't opened it at all. And it says how to use it. You shake well, massage into skin using fingertips, or buff into skin using the brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlight. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, phthalate, and mineral oil free as well. I'm so excited, guys. So if you're excited to watch this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and let's get into this. So I'm opening it up for the first time. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's beautiful. If you can see, you can see the shimmer like running throughout the oil. I'm so excited it's an oil because I watched Kathleen Light's video. I heard it wasn't sticky and it's also not drying. Let's open up the brush. Oh, the brush says the Soul Body Kabuki brush. What is it? The softest 100% vegan and cruelty-free brush that effortlessly buffs and blends oil, liquid, and powder formulas into the skin. Which makes me think that they're gonna come out with some powder formulas for the body or like some liquid things, and you'll be able to use this like with all the products, which is great. And it says how to use it. Apply product directly into skin and then gently buff in circular motions to create the perfect glow. Made in the USA, vegan and cruelty free. So the brush comes with a little plastic thing on it. And this is the brush. It's really pretty. It says Soul on one side and it's like a bronzy copper handle, which I really love. I like the handle, like it's easy to grip. As far as I know, the bottle comes with a little cap, and then it says to shake well. So I'm gonna put this back on, shake it up. So where should we start? I guess oh, I'm so nervous. Let's start in the arm. I wanna see how it looks like up close. Then give it a few pounds. It's very liquidy. I don't know if you can. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Ooh, do you guys see that? That is so pretty. Look at the difference. I hope you guys can see it with the lights. I think you can. And it smells so good. The brush barely soaked up any product. This is so nice. And I really like the bronzer shade. I love that the brush isn't soaking up a lot of the product because I was worried that if you squirted it on the brush, it would just sink in. But I like that it says to apply directly to skin. Look at that. It does kind of just squirt out, if you guys can see. And it's very liquidy, so You kind of just want to get in there. But look at that, guys. That is so gorgeous, and it smells so good. We are gonna step outside once I have it all applied to see how it looks in sunlight, because the light is probably gonna wash it out. But it has little fine shimmers that's so pretty. And like I said, 2 pumps cover like my whole forearm. Let's try the shoulders. Ooh, it's running, it's running. Look at that, guys. Do you see the difference? Here and here, you see the difference? Let's try this side of the chest. These have been like all the wave this summer, and I've really been wanting to try one, but I just, like I said, I wasn't willing to pay the price that some of them were. I'm gonna apply a little bit more up here. That is really pretty, guys. The brush is really nice. I'm glad I got the brush so I didn't have to touch it. It dries down pretty quickly. You can still feel some of the oil, but that texture doesn't bother me because it's not drying at all. I'm gonna apply a little bit more to like the center of the chest. I say, let's take this outside and see how it goes. As you guys can see, you can really see it in the sunlight. As you see, like my shoulders like catching the light beautifully. I really like it. It looks really beautiful out here, as you can see. Let's go back inside and I'll give you my final thoughts. So, as you guys can see, outside, this is absolutely beautiful. It's not catching the light great in here, but when I go outside, you guys can see my shoulder was catching the sunlight so well, which is exactly what I wanted. I use, I feel like it didn't take that much, like, to put it all over, like, my top half of my body. And the smell, it really does smell like island, like, it just smells really, really good. For $15, I never mentioned this is $12, which I thought was a bit steep for a brush, but I am happy that I got the brush. It was so easy to apply. Sorry if you guys can hear little toes, it's my dog. It was so easy to apply with the brush. This is pretty liquidy, but it's that oil consistency that I really like. It hasn't dried down really on the décolleté, and so the shimmer is getting like everywhere, but I don't mind that. I don't think, let's see, if I rub my shirt on my arm, you have to really like rub it aggressively for anything to fall off. So I would say for $15, cruelty-free, vegan, $12 for the brush, it's worth it. I really like these two products. I'll be using these all summer long. I have a little like girls trip planned at the end of this month, which I'm really excited about. So I'll definitely be using this laying out by the pool, looking glowy. And if you were looking to try some of these products, like these glowy products from Fenty or wherever, and you couldn't justify spending the 30+ price range, in some cases even 50+, this is where it's at. I really like this. So, again, I'm here to show you that you can find products at the drugstore at drugstore prices that work just as well, and you don't have to break your bank. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell. I'm here every Tuesday and every Thursday. My Instagram is itsofficial_AshleyMarie. I can't wait to see you here next time, guys.